Today we are going to talk about connecting your Whirlpool wall oven to Wi-Fi and to the Whirlpool app. Before we show you the connection process, let's see what are the minimum requirements for getting the appliance online. You will need to make sure that your router supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this appliance is not compatible with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. We will also recommend that the router has to be within 30 feet from the appliance to establish a stable Wi-Fi connection. Along with this, you will need to download the Whirlpool app on your smart mobile device and then create an account in it. You can use any iPhone, iPad or Android phones or tablets with the Whirlpool app. Once these are available to you, you are almost ready to start the connection process. Now for this video purpose, I'm using a double wall oven, and also I have an iPhone here in which I've already installed the Whirlpool app and an account is also created in it. So now let's begin the connection process. I'm going to open the Whirlpool app on my phone, and since we are trying to add an appliance, we will have to look for the add appliance or the plus option within the app and then select it. In the next app screen, you will see the option start adding my appliance. Let's tap on that one. Next, it wants to know what kind of appliance we are trying to add. So today we are connecting a wall oven, so I'm going to tap on the wall oven option. On the app screen, you will be seeing two user interface images. You can choose any one of the images to proceed to the next step in the connection process. I'm going to tap on the first image and then tap on the yes continue option on the pop-up. At this point, the app will be providing us with a set of 3 steps to scan the QR code. The first step is to tap on the settings icon on the appliance display. So for that, let's go to the appliance display and tap on settings. In order to see the next instruction, you will need to slowly swipe towards the left on the app screen. And the second instruction is to scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. The third instruction is to tap on the set code option. So I'm going to do that. Now we see the QR code on the oven display. Now go back to the app and tap on scan QR code and use the Whirlpool app to scan the QR code. Now the QR code is scanned and we are waiting for the next instruction in the app. The app is asking us if we see a Wi-Fi setup button on the oven display. So we do see a Wi-Fi setup button, and so I'm going to tap on the yes I do option in the app. That will reveal another set of instructions which we need to follow exactly. So the first step is to tap on the Wi-Fi setup button. I'm going to do that. The next step is to tap on search for network and I locate my Wi-Fi network. So here you need to make sure that you are choosing the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So I located my 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and I'm going to select it. The next instruction is to enter the Wi-Fi password. Here you have to make sure that you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password and the password is case sensitive. After entering the password, you can tap on the OK option. So I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi password now. So we entered the Wi-Fi password and tapped on OK. At this point, we will need to go back to the app and then tap on complete setup option. Right now, we have finished all the steps which are mentioned in the app, and we are basically waiting for the appliance to connect to the Wi-Fi router and to the Whirlpool app. It can take approximately 2 minutes if we have used the correct Wi-Fi network and the correct Wi-Fi password. While we are waiting for the oven to come online in the app, let me tell you some simple troubleshootings that you can do in case if you face any connectivity issues. The first thing that you can do is you can do a factory reset. To do a factory reset, you need to tap on the settings icon on the oven display and then go all the way down and tap on info and then select restore factory. And after that, you can follow the prompts on the oven display to complete a factory reset. If that doesn't help you with the connectivity issues, you can also try to unplug the oven for 1 minute, or you can try to turn off the circuit breaker, whichever is easy for you. You can also try to unplug the Wi-Fi router for 1 minute. These are some of the simple troubleshooting that you can do in case if you are facing any Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Right now we got a message on the app saying that the connection is completed. We see the message that the congrats, your wall oven is connected. And also we get an option to name the appliance. You can give any name of your choice. I'm going to call this as this oven as Alpha, and then tap on explore key features. You can scroll through the available features in the app and understand them, or you can just tap on the skip option. When we tap on the skip option, we will be taken to the home screen on the app where we can see both the upper and the lower oven as ready to cook, indicating that this appliance is now online. So right now the connection process is complete. Now once the remote enable option is activated on the oven display, you will be able to use the Whirlpool app to start any cycles on the oven wherever you are. You don't have to be near to the appliance. Now that's what we are going to see next, how to remote enable the appliance. For that, in order to remote enable the appliance, you will need to tap on the settings icon and then look for the remote enable option and then select it. You see that the remote is now enabled. At this point, the appliance is ready to take instructions from the app. So let's go to the app and then try to start a cycle on the oven. So here on the app screen you can see there are 2 oven cavities, but for the video purpose we are going to start a cycle on the upper oven, but you will be able to use the app to start cycles on both upper and lower oven. So I'm going to select the upper oven and then tap on see all oven features and then select manual. Here you will be able to see all the available cook cycles. I'm going to tap on convect broil. We see that the remote enable is on. That means we can start this cycle from the app. You don't have to be near to the appliance. You can choose any temperature of your choice. I'm going to put the temperature as 500 and then tap on the start option. As you can see, the cycle has immediately started on the appliance. It has started a convect broil at the temperature of 500 degrees. Similarly, the same information is also available on the app screen. It shows the name of the cooking cycle that we have started, the set temperature. Also, we are provided with an option to set the cook time if you would like, and also edit cycle. Now here we are going to cancel the cycle. So I'm going to tap on the turn off option to cancel the cycle, and we see that the cycle has been immediately cancelled on the appliance. So for doing all this, we don't have to be near to the appliance. You can just use the app on your phone. Now we have seen how to connect this appliance using the app. We have also explained some simple troubleshooting steps that you can do in case if you face any connectivity issues. And finally, we understood how we can start a cycle from the app itself. Along with the remote start feature, we also have certain other features available through the app. That is, if you have Google Assistant or Alexa in your home, you will be able to voice control your appliance. Then we in the Whirlpool app, we also have the notification option, and if you enable them, anytime when a cycle is done on the appliance, you will be getting a message on your phone saying that the cycle is completed. Another important or interesting feature is that once you get your appliance online, any available software updates will be installed on your appliance automatically, which will provide your appliance with new features and performance improvement. In case if you have any questions or concerns while connecting your appliance or while using the smart features, you can always contact us on the number provided on the screen. Thank you.